real smart ass.
This is a Kodak moment.
Yeah.
So tell me exactly what happened, man.
Huh?
What happened here?
Well, my kid got behind the wheel.
And then what?
Took off in it.
Gee.
Yeah.
He took off. He missed
Well,
the
he's
driveway
pretty
by
good
about 50 feet.
How was your kid?
Huh? 11?
11?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dang, well, look at this rock. Are you going to clear that?
Yeah, I'm not too worried about it. I mean, I'll get the wheel back around. It'll come out like that. It should.
Woo! Woo! What the heck? Man, oh man.
Ready?
Yeah, he's ready, I think. Punch it!
Well, I mean, do we got slack? Or we
No, dude, go! Oh, you just threw a rock. Go.
need that four-wheel drive.
I don't know, man. I think he's gonna need a tow truck.
Hold on a second.
What?
Small jerk. Small jerk.
A small jerk. Back up a little bit. Has he got it in neutral?
I don't know. Do you have it neutral?
You got it in neutral?
Yeah.
Hey, you might want to stand back in case that thing snaps.
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to tell him, hold on a minute.
Okay. Oh, he's going forward. Hey, put it in reverse.
Hey, yeah, I don't have no reverse.
What?
Yeah, no reverse.
There's no reverse? Can you put it in neutral?
Yeah.
Okay. Dang, dude.
I just need four-wheel drive.
He said, can you give him a little jerk?
I tried, kind of.
You want to do a little jerk again?
Yeah, that's probably good. Bill really good.
Hey, let's do some tightrope walking. So his son did this? Hey, Vincent, back up a little bit. And then let her rip. Do it again. This cat's freaking out. Hey, he said go harder. Hey, he said back up a little bit and just gun it. Give him a big jerk.
No, I don't want to rip my truck apart.
That's all she wrote, dude.
Let's dig it out for
Broke the strap.
Yeah, I got narrow.
So this thing's got no
No reverse.
reverse.
Yeah.
Does it have a neutral?
Yeah, it's got neutral.
Where's your kid?
Huh? She's in the house.
Damn. She have him out here digging it out.
Yeah.